This presentation is on wormhole travel, with the reading in Accelerando being Part 9 Survivor. Wormholes occur when both space and time are warped. They are tunnels and shortcuts linking two places together. Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen proposed that bridges through space-time were possible through Einstein's theory of general relativity. These are called Einstein-Rosen bridges. Einstein's theory of general relativity suggests that gravity can warp both space and time. So if there's a large amount of gravity or energy, space and time can warp to form a wormhole. A wormhole is best described using a piece of paper as shown in the image. You have points A and B on opposite sides of a piece of paper. Normally you would take the normal route from A to B. However, if you fold the paper in half, you can form a tunnel from A to B, creating an alternative route, or a wormhole, that allows for instantaneous travel instead of the normal, longer route. Wormholes are predicted to instantaneously collapse, however, due to their high attractive forces. This forms three major problems with traversability, stability, and ability to add mass. First of all, with traversability, you cannot transport anything through a wormhole if it's going to instantaneously collapse, because it will kill the traveler and destroy anything that's being transported. With stability, any immediate collapse would prevent you from knowing where the wormhole is or how long it will remain there, and prevent you from using the wormhole. Thirdly, even if the wormhole was both traversable and stable, you would not be able to add any mass to it, because any extra energy, even a photon of light, will cause its collapse. One theory to help stabilize a wormhole and allow it to exist is exotic matter. This is negative mass and energy. Negative mass is best explained through free fall. If you have a ball of negative mass and you release it above the surface, instead of falling to the ground, it will accelerate upwards. This is the exact opposite of what positive mass would do. So negative energy and negative mass do opposite of what's expected in physics. This is why they're associated with anti-gravity. So if negative mass is added into a wormhole, the negative energy opposes the normal forces or the positive energy that is used to create the wormhole, which will allow the wormhole to become stabilized so that it becomes both traversable and stable. However, there is one problem with the use of negative energy to stabilize a wormhole, and these are the quantum energy inequalities. These inequalities state that with more negative energy will only exist in a smaller area and it will last for a shorter time span. However, with less negative energy, it can be present in a larger area over a longer time span, but with less negative energy, you might not have enough in order to stabilize a wormhole. So if you do have enough negative energy and it's a large amount, your wormhole would be small and might not be large enough for you to transport anything through it. An example of this is if you have a grapefruit-sized wormhole, this would take 100 million years of the sun's energy to create.
So a wormhole, again, is a solution of Einstein's equations, but what a wormhole is through hyperspace, through higher dimensions. It reaches from one part of the universe to another.
The narrator of this video, Kip Thorne, is a leading astrophysicist in the theory of wormholes, especially in the theory of exotic matter being used to stabilize wormholes. If this video cannot be heard well in the screencast, it can be found on the blog post. In Accelerando, the aliens use wormholes for information transmission and to transmit communication from one router to another through its network. However, in Part 9, we see that humans use the wormhole networks for a different reason, mainly for physical transport. The humans created a network of their wormholes from the cylindrical to their cylindrical habitats. They stole and copied the wormholes from alien routers and cannibalized the routers to use them as generators for their wormholes and to create new ones. They believed that the routers were corrupted by the Mochkova civilization, so they only used them to take the wormholes and use them for themselves. This creation of a network of wormholes allowed wormhole travel to become easy, common travel method, so that neighbors can actually live many light years away, but the commute is negligible due to the instantaneous travel. These are my works cited, and these are my discussion questions. Thank you.